What's up, potatoes? Coach Potato here, and today we're gonna unbox the Venomized Thanos and Hellboy Funko Pop. So, here's Thanos. We got Venomized Thanos, of course, Groot, Storm, Daredevil, X-23, and Venomized Rocket. Hellboy. I'm gonna take them out of the box so I can show you guys. Give me a minute. So here is Venomized Thanos. It's a really big pop. So I decided to change the background because we're gonna change it sometimes. So let's take out Hellboy and give me a minute. So here is Hellboy. A really detailed pop. So yeah. That's gonna do it for tonight or today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.